Arts Workfly.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Art Fly, and in this video here I will be unboxing something I got from BNB. No, none of these are for me, I think, but nevertheless we're going to unbox it today. Alright, see what it is. So I have the small one here, so I'm going to deal with the small one first because I didn't think that this big one would be that big because I measured the size, so I don't understand what is going on. I measured this, I don't understand why they give me all these parts. But anyways, let's see what is in this little thingy here. Let's see what is in this. What is? I said I need to, say, right? I said I need to. Definitely remember the size of this one. So it came with these two sticks here, and you can go like this, and do what you want. Okay. Alright, so these are some paint brushes, and guys, I know you're saying that I have a lot of paint brushes, but this is not for me, guys. I might borrow a few, but it ain't for me. Ain't for me, y'all. Alright, so this is how they look. That new scent coming out. See, the legit enough for the price. Oh Lord, a $5 pay these guys. $5. $5. Who need that? But anyways, it's legit enough for the price. It's good. It's not for me. I'm gonna definitely borrow, but it's not for me. Anyways, I need to check my email to see why I haven't gotten some of the packages, because something wrong. Something wrong. I didn't want to open this one, because I know what it is, but I didn't expect it to be this big. I don't want to pull up the place, but it has to open one way or another because this package is so ugly. The box is all messed up and stuff, so I definitely have to take it out anyways. Like a long time they have it a dolly smoky plate. Okay. Alright, so here it is, guys. So this is how it should look, and this is how it is. I won't say much right now because I'm shocked over my words here. Alright, so that is it for the Temu haul, guys. what I collected from B&B. I'm going to double check and see what is going on because I didn't get everything. I don't remember if I bought them together or separately or on a different day or what. Or they refunded me my money or whatever is happening. So I'm gonna check that quickly. Maybe on a different day because this one said delivered on the 4th. I'm not gonna get it in such a quick time. Yes, I'm gonna give it more time, watch and see what is happening. So yeah, because this one even said delivered on the 6th. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait probably 2 more weeks, 1 to 2 more weeks, and see what happens. Yeah, guys, but I guess I did get all my packages for this week. So yes, guys, thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. I'll be packing the baskets right now, and I also wanted to do a updated hair review, etc. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.